Okay friends, today we are having HP bs579tx. So we are doing the unboxing of it. It has 8 GB RAM and 2 GB graphics, 1 TB HDD. DOS operating system. So we are having this. Firstly we are having the setup instructions. You can see how power button, quick setup, charging options, the function features, side view, etc. So now we are having the charger, wire of the charger, the adapter and the computer pin. And then we are having the laptop. So this is the laptop. So it's pasted with tape. We are opening this. And it's HP. So there is a keyboard panel for the screen and the protection. So the design is very good. Mousepad is very smooth. It has Radeon graphics, Intel i3. So we are turning on it. So it is starting. So it's starting at HP and welcoming us. So there is a Windows 10 Professional. We are having Microsoft Edge, Bluetooth also, good headphones. So we are opening this PC. It has Chrome also, recycle bin. This PC. We are having in C folder we are having 52 GB and rest 3 we are having 292 GB.